Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Flybuys to save money on groceries in Australia, and I will be on the official website experience.flybuys.com, and you will be just sign up from here. Just simply add your email address and create the strong password, and you will be just the member of Flybuys, and you will just get this a card in this picture or the app. Through the app you will just sign up and you will just spend your points, not your savings, with Flybuys dollars. So every 2000 points you use and gets you $10 off at the checkout. So how it's work? So you will just also redeem it, but it will just work. The every 2000 points gets you $10. So you can convert points to Flybuys dollars in multiples of $10 to spend in store and the participating places. Set a card pin to protect your Flybuys dollars and pay with your Flybuys card. Select pay with card at the checkout and swipe your physical Flybuys card through the EFTPOS machine and enter your pin. So these are the where you can pay with the Flybuys dollar. These are the some grocery stores and the petrol pump. You will just fill your uh, car with this fuel by using this card. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.